Let's begin with the big idea of polynomial division. If we are given specific factors, or zeros, of a given polynomial f of x, we can use this information to divide and find the remaining factors. The word remaining is important because we already know something. We can find the remaining factors or zeros even when we can't factor or solve using methods that we've learned up to this point. But then we can apply those techniques as we go. Our first example is use the fact that 4 is a factor of 20 to find another factor of 20. Think about that. What would you need to do? Well, you could say 20 divided by 4. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. So we can say 20 has two factors, 4 and 5. In fact, I could even write this as 4 times 5. Now, we're going to use that same idea with long division of polynomial functions and synthetic division. Let's try one more series of examples. Here's an example of long division with a simple problem. Use long division to divide 23 by 5. And we're going to write our answer as our dividend equals our divisor times our quotient plus our remainder. We have those written as r of x, p of x, d of x, and q of x because we are going to be dealing with functions for the rest of this section. So if I take 23 and I divide it by 5, I'd say, well, 5 goes into 23 4 times. That would be 4 times 5, which is 20. I'm multiplying these two. 4 times 5 to get 20. And then I need to subtract that. So that would get 3. So I have a remainder of 3. So I can write this as 23 equals, my divisor was 5, times my quotient, which is 4, plus 3. So 23 is 5 times 4 plus 3. You can do that similarly with this example over here, 16 divided by 3. We see here that 3 divides into 16 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. We subtract those two to get 1 as a remainder. So we could also write this over in this example, 16 equals 3 times 5 plus 1. The remainder is 1. Next example we have is to long divide 30 by 5. This one is special because 5 times 6 would be 30. So finishing out our division, 6 times 5 is 30. We have a remainder of 0. So I can say 30 equals 5 times 6 plus 0. Well, when the remainder is 0, what can we say about the original divisor and quotient? Well, we can say that 5 is a factor of 30, as is 6.